आज के समय में हम तेल में मिलावट के कारण बहुत सी परेशानियों का सामना कर रहे हैं। हम अपने खाने में जहरीला तेल खा रहे हैं, इसलिए इस पर काबू पाने के लिए हम आपको ये छोटी सी ऑयल एक्सट्रैक्टर मशीन दिखाना चाहूंगा। इस मशीन का इस्तेमाल करके आप अपने घर पर ही अच्छी क्वालिटी का तेल निकाल सकते हैं।
Coconut oil, groundnut oil, gingery oil, sesame oil, sunflower oil, badam oil and many kind of oil at your home. This is a small compact oil machine which can be used in your home for domestic purpose. Now let us see how to operate this machine. First insert this rod, screw rod, and then insert this barrel, and then insert this lock, and then put this feeder. Switch on the heater button and switch on the temperature controller for 90 degrees and wait for 15 minutes. Switch on the motor button and then put the groundnut on the top of the bowl. Now you can see pure oil coming in the downside and the waste cake on the other side. Now we are putting the groundnut seeds in the top of the bowl. Now you can see the oil coming downside and the waste cake in the other side. It's a small compact machine. This is manufactured in our own company and we are giving 1 year warranty. Just 15,000 rupees only. In this machine you can grind the coconut. Just put this and then switch on the motor. Now let us see how to clean the machine. Just remove this, just then take it, remove this lock and use this gloves. Take this barrel out, use this brass, just do like this. We have to clean this barrel when it is heat. When you complete the grinding of the oil, you have to compulsorily clean this barrel without fail. The groundnut seeds should not be dried too much. Eat healthy cooking oil and have a healthy life. Thank you.